Dad just called. He said he's dropping his straight axle out of the Cobra, his Mustang, and he's getting ready to put in the i.r.s. So I am kind of close to his shop right now. I'm gonna swing in real quick and see what his progress looks like. Why don't y'all come along? And he's got a pile of parts over here for the Mustang. This is getting serious. We may need to stage an intervention. So I see the i.r.s. I see the old axles. Then there's the Bilstein rear shocks. Then there's the FR 500 steering wheel. Then what's this stuff over here, Dad?
That's the universal joints for the new drive shaft.
Oh. There's all kinds of tastiness over here.
Yeah. And then the new tailpipes are over there.
New tailpipes.
Behind the wall.
Jeez.
Yeah. So it's coming together. Springs
All to go
in there. So it's got to go right in that spot right there.
That's coming out.
Yeah.
That's going in. I have to say, that looks excellent.
It's coming. And then you've got the new brackets for anyone else who wants to do this. The new brackets bolt here where your quad shock was, it went down to here.
Mm-hmm.
So you basically pull this out, and then your new independent rear suspension will bolt in here and up in there where the lower control arm is. So you put the new shocks, new springs, and you're good to go.
So exciting.
So it's hot.
This is going to handle really well.
Like crazy.
And what shocks are in here right now? What is that again?
These are KYBs,
That's right.
adjustables, which I'm going to sell.
And then you've got Roush.
And I've got Bilsteins to take their place.
Mm-hmm.
And
the
these are
lower control
Roush.
arms?
Lower control arms are Roush stage 3 right there. You can see Roush right on them. Yeah, we're gonna sell them for 150 bucks. So
Hey, there you go. So if somebody wants those lowers for 150 bucks,
there you go.
message me below.
Yep, there you go.
And what are the springs? Are those also Roush?
Yeah, these are stage 3.
And those are going to be
Roush.
sold also?
Yeah, that's another 50 bucks for the springs.
There you go.
So, yeah. So there you go.
Super cool. All right, we'll check back in a little bit after there's some progress and you've got that dropped on the ground.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, so progress. Something's missing, like all of it. All of it. It's gone. It's over here. Yeah. So, okay, this is the old straight axle that came out. And you've sold this, Dad. And so these are what?
These are the lower control arms and upper control arms for my new customer that he wanted on this axle.
Are these Maximum Motorsport or what are they?
You know, he really didn't tell me, and they didn't identify themselves.
We don't know what they are.
So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what they are, but they're either Stita, Maximum. They just don't say.
Tastiness.
But they're the cheese. That'll
So
take
you
care
sold
of it.
all that. That's coming
That's all
out.
sold. So that's
And
going on.
this is about to go in. So you were saying you had to hog out some holes?
Yeah,
Like I said?
so this is the bolt that replaces that bolt.
Ooh.
So, yeah, it's a little bigger, but it goes into the frame here, so I had to take a 9/16 drill and drill that out so that bolt will go through, because this is the bolt that fits my new i.r.s.
Gotcha.
So then that means I had to remove the mufflers. So we'll probably start the car just to hear it with open headers.
Are the mufflers off right now?
Mufflers are off.
Oh, we should absolutely do that.
So we should probably fire it up.
We gotta do that.
Just to hear it talk to us, because we can. So let's see what it sounds like without mufflers.
I might lose a percentage hearing.
So let me go over here and get the right keys. They're right there. And we'll just give it a taste.
There's no way you guys are gonna figure out how loud this is. open headers. That's a little loud.
Oh my gosh, that hurt.
Like it hurts your ear. It felt like somebody stabbed me in the temple.
The speed sensors. If you come over here.
So we decided to go ahead and put the i.r.s. in it anyway and get the sensors later. So one of the things they recommend is spreading the frame where the arm to the i.r.s. connects with the body. And we thought we probably don't need to do that. We can just bang her in there. You got to do that. I'll show you what I mean. All right, hopefully you can see, but where this connects up here into the frame, so we can get a good shot right there. That, you want to widen that a little bit because it's so snug. Sorry for the crappy camera work here, but I'm trying to get right there. That's so snug that you can't get it in there. So you do have to widen it. Another hot tip. Because we didn't follow the directions and open up that frame part, we've been beating and banging this thing to try to get in there.
For a half hour. Freaking half hour.
We're quitting.
Yeah.
We're gonna come back later.
We're gonna come back fresh, give it another shot. So, yeah, make sure you do that if you do this job.
So I guess that makes it i.r.s. 1 point needs 0.
0.
All right, I'm going home.